Collective. The term collective refers to a group or a collection of individuals or things that are considered as a whole. It implies a sense of unity, cooperation, and shared responsibility among the members of the group. In English, this word can be used as both a noun and an adjective. As a noun, collective refers to a group of people who work together towards a common goal or share common interests. For example, 1. The collective decided to organize a charity event to raise money for the local shelter. 2. The student collective protested against the increase in tuition fees. 3. The band members formed a collective to promote and distribute their music independently. As an adjective, collective describes a noun that involves or includes the participation of a group or the whole. It emphasizes the idea of collaboration and joint effort. For example, 1. The team achieved a collective victory by working together and supporting each other. 2. The company made a collective decision to invest in new technology to improve efficiency. 3. The community's collective effort resulted in the successful completion of the park renovation project. In both noun and adjective forms, collective implies the idea of individuals coming together, pooling their resources, skills, or ideas to achieve a common objective. It highlights the power and effectiveness of working as a group rather than as individuals.